So we just came into Kalbarri and there's this little dirt track. Turns out to be a full-on four-wheel drive track. Oh, she's soft there. Like that.
2 minutes in, we're bogged.
Almost got bogged there. Didn't have it in full drive, but put her in. I don't even have my tyres down, so hopefully I don't need that. It just came out of nowhere, this joint. Let's try this track. It looks like this place hasn't seen rain for a while, so I don't think anything will be soft. It's dry as. I have no idea where we are. I was just driving and driving and driving. Just going to drive and hopefully it gets me somewhere. This spot here is a little bit softer. This is more sand than it is dirt. Oh yeah, she's soft there. Yeah, she's very soft here. Oh yeah, there's some big footprints. Look at real soft. Massive. Yeah, this is all soft as. This is where I want to go to. I want to try head to that. Looks wide enough. Yeah, I'm not going to go through that track. There's just too many trees sticking out. Scratch the shit out of my car. So I'll go straight, see if there's another track. Rubbish here, man. That's yuck. The place is so dry, man. Looks like they haven't seen rain in ages. Most of the animals around here are dying because of heat exhaustion. You can understand why, because it is just so dry out here. They've got no access to water. It's just, yeah, it's pretty bad out here. Put it this way, I've been in Western Australia for a while now and I haven't seen much rain. Probably like all up 15 minutes of rain, and it wasn't a lot. So it's pretty sad. It is so windy out here. I was gonna have a little flick, but the wind's just blowing hard against me. It's not even worth it. So we might just track back now. There's lookouts that we want to go have a look at. So the landscape out here is absolutely unreal. Such a beautiful place. Kalbarri's got a bit of everything here. Beach, bushlands, all sorts of that stuff. It's a nice place. I'm excited to keep moving forward now. I'm just waiting for a package, which should come, I think, on Tuesday. And I've got something booked in for Monday. And yeah, then we're going to start heading forward, start heading towards Exmouth. We just got to a place called Red Bluff. So this is at the start of Kalbarri, heading into town. See what it's about. It's a bit windy, so I don't know how much you're going to hear. I have to go back to get my net. I'm not letting these little bastards get the better of me. That's Red Bluff. Wind is pretty bad. I don't know if you're going to hear me or more the wind, but that's Red Bluff. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm letting my tyres back down because I want to go back on the sand dunes to see the sunset. Because apparently the sunset from the dunes is unbelievable. What a difference it makes when you let your tyres down on a dirt road like this. Try to get the sunset for you guys in time lapse. You'll see that it's too cloudy. I'm spewing. Still looks cool, but you just can't see the sun. Burning hard.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned.
wasn't the best sunset. Promise I'll try and get a better one when it's less cloudy. But I thought I'd end the night with some drone footage.
I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody, Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody,
We're back, going for quad bike tours around the... I'm so freaking excited, man. So this one's called Quad Bike Safaris. It costs about 220 bucks, 160 bucks if you're by yourself, and another 60 bucks if you got someone behind you. Can't wait, show you once we're on it. Thought I'd just come say hi to locals before we jump on the quads. Oh, fuck, alright. Jeez. You liked me a minute ago. You know what? This is our base for the day. And we're off! If this light's meant to be flashing, this looks like overheating light, I don't know.
That bike's to front, so
Will me come back with you?
yeah, why don't you come up, mate?
Yeah. This is highly recommended. I just feel this is better than the beach one because it's a different scenery. The beach is just the beach. You see that it's just the same constantly. You get a bit of everything on this one. So that's why I chose this one, and I'm wrapped I did. This is grouse. Alright, time to go. I want to see what my top speed is. Look at that. The reason Kayla's on that bike and I'm on a single bike is because the bike I had, you see in the flashing light, the red overheating So something's punctured the radiator and it's just lost all its coolant, so it was overheating. And the bike I've got's a single bike, so Kayla had to go with the instructor, which she's laughing. There's no dust, no nothing. I'm copping that much dust. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but oh mate, it is absolutely magic. At a spot called Allie's Pool. Going for a rock climb! Got to this spot here and something happened to the rest of the crew. They haven't rocked up yet. Martin the guide's gonna go see what's going on because the rest of the crew's not with us. Can't hear any bikes. Not sure what happened. I'll go for a little walk, see what the hell's going on. It's been about 5 minutes, haven't heard nothing. See the crew down there. At least everyone's alive and well. Good thing, no bikes are on their backs. It's always a good thing. Found out what the problem was with the crew. Their belt broke. That's 2 bikes down in one tour. You ain't gonna be happy about that. So if you can see all that white stuff up on top of that mountain there, that's all chalk. Look who's back! Heading for a little bushwalk now to the top here. Apparently it's a nice view, so let's see what we got.
Okay, mate, and I'll drag this way.
It's the mechanic coming to fix the other bikes. Oh man, what an experience that was. I had an absolute ball. If you're in the area, if you're in Kalbarri, highly recommend this one. Highly recommend it. Oh man, that was so fucking fun, man. I didn't want it to end. He lost 2 bikes. One to me with the radiator and one with a belt. Yeah. But mate, the host Martin, the guide, man, he's an absolute legend. He's a pisser. And he, mate, 2 bikes down, he still just carried on with a smile on his face. That's grouse. I would have been burning if that was me. So the quickest I got up to, I was trying to beat my speed every time, got up to 71. That's the quickest speed I got up to.